close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your heart and exhale through your pain. Today, we are releasing every illusion you ever called love and recognizing every red flag your intuition tried to warn you about. Breathe in self-awareness. Blow out self-blame. Imagine the person who once made you doubt your worth. See them fade into the background of your mind, not with anger, but with understanding. You are not what they made you feel. You are what you choose to heal. Now place your hand on your heart and slowly whisper, I forgive myself for staying where love was missing. Visualize a soft golden light entering your chest. It expands with every breath, protecting, calming, and reminding you you were never hard to love. You were just loving the wrong person. I choose peace, presence, and pure love. You are safe now. You are seen. You are healing from the red flags you once called love. With every breath, release the stories that no longer serve you. The confusion, the overthinking, the waiting for someone to change. All of it is dissolving now. Because tonight, you choose peace over pain and truth over illusion. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw unclench. A soft purple light starts wrapping around your heart. With every inhale, it grows brighter. With every exhale, it melts away the heaviness. You're not here to blame yourself. You are here to understand, release, and heal. Think of the person or the moment who once made you question your own worth. Don't resist the memory, just witness it, like a scene in a movie. Notice the moments when you silenced your truth, just to keep the peace. Notice how love slowly turned into walking on eggshells. It wasn't love that hurt you. It was the way you kept shrinking to keep it alive. Whisper gently to yourself, I forgive myself for not knowing better back then. I release what no longer aligns with peace. Let the silence between you and them be your protection, not your punishment. Place your right hand over your heart. Feel its rhythm, steady, alive, and forgiving. This heart has loved deeply. It has cracked, but it never stopped beating. Imagine a warm pink light expanding from your chest. This is yourself returning home. I am safe to love again. I am worthy of soft, honest love. I no longer chase what confuses my soul. Visualize yourself standing in front of a mirror. You can see the strongest, calmest version of you staring back. The one who no longer mistakes chaos for chemistry. The one who now understands that red flags don't need fixing, they need distance. Smile at yourself, not because it's over, but because you made it through. The lesson was not about losing them. It was about finding you. Take a deep breath in. Feel gratitude for the love that once taught you boundaries. Breathe out, releasing every residue of pain, guilt, and overthinking. You're not broken. You are reborn. You are not the story they told about you. You are the peace you choose after the storm. Whenever you are ready, bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, roll your shoulders. And when you open your eyes, open them not as someone searching for love, but as love itself. Hug yourself. Shout out loud, I love me.